Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting episode of the English Clinic. I'm super thrilled to have you all here again. Thank you for joining. In today's class, we're going to dive deeper into mastering English pronunciation. Get ready for some fun exercises and new tips to help you speak more confidently and clearly. Let's get started and make the most of our time together. I'm excited to see your progress. I'm excited to see your progress. Thank you very much. So, in the human body are certain organs that perform the speech functions in addition to their primary functions in the body. All the speech organs, with the exception of the lungs, are located in the head. So today we're looking at the vocal organs or the speech organs. We're going to look at the parts of the speech organs and the definition of the speech organs. So speech organs are parts of the body that help us talk. In addition to their other jobs, most of them are in our head except for the lungs, the tongue, the teeth, the lips, and the vocal cords. Even though these organs do other important jobs, they also help us make speech sounds very, very necessary. That's why we have them. Now, understanding speech organs is super important because it helps us know how speech sounds are made. This knowledge can help us speak more clearly and improve our pronunciation. It's also essential for studying articulatory phonetics, and articulatory phonetics is all about how speech sounds are formed. So guys, we're going to look at some important speech organs in the body. So we have the lungs. The lungs are speech organs found in the chest and they help us breathe. Now, it is very crucial because they supply the air we need to make sounds. So when we talk, we are using air from our lungs, but we can't talk properly if we're out of breath. So we need breath for us to produce the sound or for us to use our speech properly. Now we have the tongue. This soft organ in our mouth is super important for speech. You know why? It's always moving around. Like when you're talking, your tongue is moving around, helping us form different parts, like the tip, the blade, and the back, which help us make different sounds. In our mouth, we have different parts that help us speak. We have the palate. Now, the palate is the roof of our mouth. Now, there are three main palates. We have the alveolar ridge, which is it's the bumpy part right behind our front teeth. So if you open your mouth or use a mirror, you see it properly. Now we also have the hard palate. This is the area just after the alveolar ridge. Now we also have the soft palate. This is the back part that ends in a little dangly bit. So if you open your mouth, just use your mirror, you see that dangly part called the uvula. Now we look at the lips. The lips are the front edge around. Now we see the lips around our mouth, and another name for the mouth is called the buccal cavity. We have top and bottom lips. You can see them, right? They help us make certain sounds like b, and w. All right, so that's for the lips. The teeth, we have upper and lower teeth. Some sounds like the th sound, which is and v, are made by putting our tongue between our teeth. Thank you very much, larynx. This is also called the Adam's apple. For the guys who see it, it's a bumpy part you can feel in front of your neck. Inside there are vocal cords that help us make sound. So we look at the vocal cords and the glottis. Inside the larynx, like we said earlier, we have the glottis, which is like a little space. Now the vocal cords are inside the space. When the cords are apart, we make voiceless sounds like s. When they vibrate together, we make voice sounds like s. So you get the difference now, voiceless and voice. Now there are sounds made with our vocal cords vibrating, which is also known as a voice sound, and there are some that are made without the vocal cord vibrating, which is known as a voiceless sound. You can feel the difference by covering your ear. You have to cover your ear and make different sounds. Voice sounds make your ear vibrate, but voiceless don't. Alright, so you can try it. Put your hand in your ear and then you do the vibration. But this is the start of understanding how speech organs work. We'll learn more about vowels and consonants later. So get ready. In our next class, you're going to get the vowel and the consonant sounds. Now, understanding this organs helps us speak clearly and communicate better. Thank you very much for joining our class today. Don't forget to follow all our social media handles and make sure you subscribe, share, and refer us to your friends and others. Thank you. We see you next time. Thank you and do have a lovely day.